What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you 3 free mint NFT projects. They're at the very early stage and it's kind of hard to tell what those projects are going to be about and how they're going to do, but they're free mint, so I'm going to keep my eye on them and hopefully they're going to do well for either a quick flip or to keep. But before I show you the project, just have to say something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So the first project, it's called Pop Club Free Mint. The Pop Club is a collection of 7 fully animated characters living in Ethereum network. And as you can see, mint price is free, supply to be announced, date to be announced, and website is going to be soon. So if we scroll down, as you can see, like this post got quite a bit of an engagement, but it's due to pre-mint link because it's part of the requirement. So this is one of them that I think has a decent potential. Then the second project, it's called EightHaven, and a town filled with mystery and intrigue will be watching for Dagger deemed the worthy. So at the time of recording this video, they have 4,600 followers. And if we scroll down, as you can see, also they're getting decent engagement on their Twitter post. But again, I think this is due to like whitelist spot giveaway or raffle or something like that, because they have quite a few likes and retweets, but not that many comments. Usually the engagement coming from a whitelist raffles. So this is another one, doesn't really have a whole lot, but I think it has a decent potential for a free mint. And then the last project, it's called Hardworkers Framing, and this is your chance to change something in your life for free. And then they have a website, and then if we scroll down, they have a little teaser or trailer right here. It's like a 4 or 5 seconds, and then as you can see, they barely getting any engagement. But again, this project is at the very early stage and they only have 6 tweets, and at the time of recording this video, they have 2,500 followers. And then if we open their website, on their website, there's not a whole lot. There's only a Twitter button and then there's a submit. So what you can do, you can paste your address here. I'm not sure exactly what is it gonna do. It's either it's gonna enter you to the raffle or give you a chance, give you opportunity or something, but it's not gonna hurt if you're just gonna add your address in here. You might get opportunity to get a whitelist spot for this project. And this is pretty much it. 3 free mint, very early project that I'm keeping my eye on. And all the projects that I just showed you, I'm going to leave links in the description below. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.